Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Internet suspended for another 5 days. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, CM Biren. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and Imphal East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 am, restrictions in Imphal East. Hello and good evening. Welcome to ELITETV Primetime English News at 6. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. The Director General of Police, Manipur, reported that there are still reports of incidents like arson of houses and premises, and there is apprehension that some antisocial elements might use social media extensively for transmission of images, hate speech and hate video messages inciting the passions of the public, which might have serious repercussions for the law and order situation in the state. There is imminent danger of loss of life or damage to public as well as private property, and widespread disturbances to public tranquility and communal harmony as a result of inflammatory material and false rumor which might be transmitted or circulated through social media or messaging services or mobile services, SMS services and dongle services, and hence to thwart the design of anti-national, anti-social elements and to maintain peace and stop spread of disinformation and false rumor through various social media platforms. The suspension and curbing of mobile data services, internet data services including broadband shall be in force for another 5 days with immediate effect till 3 p.m. of 31st May 2023. Any person found guilty of the order will be liable for legal action. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, stated CM N. Biren Singh in a press meet held at CM Secretariat today. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar, Water Resources Minister Awang Bao Nyumai, Social Welfare Minister Dinko and other ministers and MLAs attended the press meet. Churachandpur, Moreh for Hills and in Imphal places like Langol, Paiteveng, Khongsaiveng, etc. have been provided security forces to prevent any untoward incidents. Operation against armed militants have been initiated and action will be taken up against anti-nationals. Talks with United Naga Council and church leaders have taken place to bring peace and normalcy back in the state. Do not believe rumors about armed people on the roads, and the central government has taken up stringent measures to bring back peace and keep the integrity of the state of Manipur intact and to have faith in the central government.
Center ki adugumba Union Home Ministry of State nita indare ma huji laktana ngarang dagi ekoi gi leiriba different civil society organization mayam unadana aduga ekoi gi state ki prabhari Samit Patraji yauna tawgna makhal makhagi mayam unadana leiriba grievances problems karmaina tawgoda ke kari tackle tawgoda ke haibna singma mayam kana naina dana kan honari kangkok pi amadi Sosampur loina nama Moreh mayam si round unadana tawgani aduga Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shahji Lakri Baba Nita Resma Sidalagani, Aduna Center, Yam Seres Wina, Tauri, the Huzimakta, Hakim Mangusu, Indian Home Minister Misaji, Fontoroktana Kogi, stroke day to day, Sana Tanaba Lady, Mayamsi, commodities Mayamsiki, Kari Pivum Lay, Red, Hankat Pakokar Patogana Hangami, Adugi Watpala Tanaba, Trati Sabiansime, free the Yamkana, Sananabasa Susali, Aduga Kampopi area, the lady Basi. Yam kana repeatedly arang sumi team lak kana wari kana sanaraga tawri athuba matamna sisu hangani habge koi thajabal lei aduna haidi ba Union Home Minister lakpasida amisaji lakpa matam sida ko Manipur gi silinaw singna lebiri ba praja puna mona bot hil sena prema magi aningba pamdu phajana marik chumna thamba yana na ba mayamna shanti raksha phajana ngakna leminasi haiba appeal aduba nungtigi honorable amisaji monitor to lepte ahang ba jaga awar pa jaga da security na hanmakta da security khara wali sumaina food hills ta haiba kanda another company kunnama BSF ki aduga CRPF ki thabi raktana huji awat pasing mainly huji phawbuda akoi around 34,000 kumba paramilitary forces of side gi la akana koi deploy tore and mayam punama government da Bharat Sarkar amani state sarkar thajaba thambiu Manipur miyam na mi pai biganu haina amuk khana ya appeal tawje Manipur gi miyam da ina appeal lamtanga mari leinaba sing da appeal lamaka tawning basi akhoi gi Manipur kano dagi handagi thokiba tarik ahum mari gi thogok tu da police station sing dagi kari dagi lakiba khulai si lising amagi mathaktani anu huji phawbuda ikhoina recover tawriba mayam na hangkat pirai si 495 ko tangai aduna masimadi akhoi Home Ministry ki mai kai dagi da natana ko state government ki mai kai dagi samasya ko yam serious hoina lowi aduna yaraga dinga si nonini sidai da hairiba watlawriba thingat pi ba yaw pirakada wali ba khulai singa se athu bada thingat pira kanda hayeng army na karina operation tawba khotpa amala akanda madai da mipha me pun tawraga madugi ain gi oiba aruba chatkibadu ekoi su nuai jade aduna huji phawgi oina akhoi da piraiba akhoi da leiriba comments huji mafam da karai dana moina thinkal amada thana thamamada madugi case pandabagi phawboi khoi da madugi piri aduna yaragadi lawbi khriba munbiriba tawbiriba khulai sing adu athuba matamda police ta yaunanaba or any lampaka thambiram gera club ta thambiram gera any jagam da thambiram gera tawrakanda haiba khulai sing si athuba da government da yohun view haidana ai masim tanga apil.
On the other hand, Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai said that 15 MLAs met Union Minister Amit Shah and he assured additional security forces have been provided and he will visit the affected victims on his trip to Manipur and assured to bring back normalcy in the state at the earliest.
Akiba Laibigno, government of Tazava Tambiu, Akoi Soidana, state as a Atubada, peace Mukuranaba, honorable Matakta, Masayona. Honor Gani have the assurance, but then a PB government with Tazaba Tambirica status Mangtana amok permanently a peace lane number. I saw it on Honor Gani have the honorable Home Minister the assurance ni Aduna Quay delegate to a coin Habiaba Miam Gay, Wakanda Labor Miam Kangi, Prazana Nasi, Zatipuna Magna, Mama Wakanda. Sentiments of Sumain Lady Poli have a miams of delegates, members, Ayamana Sumaina Home Minister among the Pondo Pakanda, Mandasu, the sentiments in Masiertawi, Adu Soidana central government to lay, state government to lay adu possessing Tazabit Tambiu, I Soidana Atubada situation as a normal the Putok Purakini, Adu Loidana, Akoi Mayamda, Janai Tagnai. One of the Drahina, Kiduna Labor Miam Sisu, what Halloy? How's it situation as a normal Purana Honor Bump Galoidana? Essential commodities Miamsu, Miam the Watan Pigni, have seen Magi assurance near the Nopazam Miam Sosi, Pausi PBU, Hanama.
After being silent on the violent communal clash issue in Manipur for so many days, All Manipur Democratic Women's Association AMDWA Secretary Ayekpam Ashabala asked why Union Home Minister Amit Shah is coming to Manipur on 29th of May and whether he is coming here to be a mere spectator of the violent clash that erupted on May 3rd. She made the statement at the press meet held at the press club at Major Call today. She also alleged that Amit Shah's visit will start another clash and his intention to visit is to start another unrest and not to bring a solution or an end to the crisis. She questioned if life can be compensated with just 5 lakh rupees. She also alleged that this clash did not start on the 3rd of May and that it is a pre-planned civil war. Why hasn't the government resigned as yet, and questioned if relief items are really being being supplied to relief camps. She urged for the government to bring back normalcy at the earliest and bring the situation under control, or else give up the position and appoint someone who can do that.
Numit kun kumdoi mi hanzila ababaw kang kirang control taude. Uji kami sana la kaduri basi ju kang kirang hen santor kani haida na pwede. Em do wala lawe. Yung kari gino haibadi. Hai ba tang ahum sida Honorable VP of India Manipur da for some award he visited to Manipur University. Hai ba numit sima kada imphal ki mafam khudi magta atuki matik security tight boy haiba. Atuka Singi mafam singda atsamna kauba peace rally da chatkan haibase they had already published this news. Aduga kani di damakta no numit to the rally di damakta makoina security sense hadriga. Somdana security tight oire asomdana security totally fail oire. La mangagi compensation duna loira brava. Mi amagi bunsi ki compensation se. Mayu makai thado ki basing to yum sabi gani hai. Yum sabi ba khatura haiba. Imu amadu mana len abu hana muda punsi kaya yang ba struggle ama tawrong ga dageba ngasi di punsi ma ki basing tu ki lupa la nga compensation lupa la nga di numit kaya ni ba ya ga dawi ba geba husi khawrak liba Manipur ki mapang khudi mak ta khawrak liba jat ku chu ki khenab lai ta ki Manipur ki mapang khudi mak ta yang sa kawi ba rally tawi numidang singda honorable MLA minister singi marakta mi thomjel embassy ki daittas government of tu ga da bane haiba अखोइना अमुका अपील तौजनिंगबदी मणिपुर सरकार दा अथुबदा मणिपुर की इरान से लोइसिन हलका कांगलुप मसेन की मफम दा नुसिनबसी बाय हुक और बाय क्रो पुबिरो अब खुदकता नत्रा अचौबा इरान अमा लापं गाइबरा हाइबा ngasi फो
To show that the people of the land are more valuable than their political posts and to bring peace and harmony in the state, Apunba Kangleipam Lup Interim Chairman Advocate T.H. Rajiv has appreciated MLA L. Rameshwar and Yai School Constituency MLA Thokchom Satyabrata for meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This was expressed at a press meet at the Press Club at Major Kol. He further stated that the communal clash has affected many people of the state, and he also apologized for the incident that took place on May 24th near Asian Hospital, where 4 Tangkhul women were assaulted as a result of the emotive state of the people.
Kudimangna pandam amada changsil liba khongjang asida Jackson na thokriba soiriba thodok sing asi makha tara thoktana ba khoi changchen minasi haibasi su apunma kani pagluk tagi leibak miyam da pausinjari doinana changsil liba khongjang asibu luching biriba luching masing secretary amadi president na tragana office bearer sing asu somsomgi khongjang changsil ngai mikupta somsomgi ihaubu support toriba praja chinlaw singnasu tawriba thabok thorom singbu section monitor tawbiraga khongjang changsin binabasu akoina appeal tawjari loinana lebak miyamda akoina haijaningmadi changsiliba khongjang ase akoigi nathaiduna chakhiba yabagi mongda haibadi phangadaba pandamdo adu natabida sum akoigi section logdabagi soiraktana akoi jati masin oina onsanaba yabi mongna torokpagi Ibam lakpase masi akoi yam section ningai ni matum dasu thoktanaba honaminasi haibase apun makangni paglupi maikai digi lebak miyam da thamjari. Thank you.
Kwakathil Thiam Lekai Youth Organization, in association with Kwakathil Thiam Lekai Chaukat Khongthang Nupilup, organized a sit-in protest in Kwakathil Thiam Lekai. President of Kanglamai Y. Lyric Lema stated that talks will only be considered with Home Minister and Prime Minister. The remaining 50 MLAs must condemn the 10 Kuki MLAs demanding a separate administration. The 10 Kuki MLAs must never return to Manipur, and they are free to live anywhere else, but the integrity of Manipur will remain intact. The Kuki militants must be declared as terrorists, and the suspension of operation agreement protecting them must be suspended. The central government must take action to bring back normalcy in the state. She questioned whether the army deployed in Manipur is to save the people or to destroy Manipur. They should be neutral and not biased towards any community. She further stated that our ancestors left this land for us, and the integrity of Manipur will never be broken.
Sigi, Iram Damsida, Mayum Makai Tumna Maitado Piraba, Mayum Makai, Kiba Masakta Maitadoga, Teram electric posna, in the entire but Teram electric posna, a Koigi, Purup Sibukana Batarak Tribra, Moigi, High Belly Piji, Suda Leba Cookie, Moigi Misang Balakra, Maitare Yenge, Noe, Moi, Matung the Lairaga, Bazamayam, Woodland, Naide, Nasiba, Barat Sarkargi, Manipur Semna. Marola matolakte haidana ekoi memorandum pire MLA yang kaida adubo ngasi ngarangi tangsida Home Minister gi makada laiba malae akoi Manipur gi masing na se hai ko komina lepi bawari sa Home Minister amasung Prime Minister natana atopa mata unaroy barik gi haiba lepi aduga mokoina khuyek bidana natana taba sa may thare adu tawre ngang iba mayam sa Bharat Sarkar gi Home Minister lumit malini laigani haire kumni laigani haire koi le yenga kanda purup aniya amatana hobra Bharat tai to khai ge haibani Bharat ki ticket pilga kari natro kari gi lo khuyek piri se Bharat Sarkar gi Prime Minister Home Minister na moi kara mapunsin so patan thong na ba jen da piga da bani adu gi mathakta Manipur gi ngasi baw da tangdu lai ta de mafam da su lai riba dugumba ni Fiji su da lai ba khulai pai ba sinda Matek ka kem saraga ina Manipur gi state government da mathau pidre Bharat Sarkar na mathau pio state police da ngasi mafam da kem torga ayeng nungtin tumanda ba singja tamja da tari ba Manipuri si ngasi Bharat Sarkar gi mihul amada koi wari sanaroi haidana ngarangi lumita ai koi komi gi sat sin imamari Manipur gi unajage haibagi sak jamina jage ka haidana loksing tawda koi ni yaga da banate
A peace rally jointly organized by Meitei Pangal, Kabui and Meitei in Bishnupur district was taken out in Bishnupur district today. The rally was held peacefully. The protesters demanded the removal of paramilitary forces, non-extension of SU agreement and appealed to bring peace and harmony and return to normalcy in the state. This was expressed by Bishnupur Apunbanupi Lup President El Pramo to the media in a press meet. The peace rally started from Bishnupur Forest Gate. However, Bishnupur Police OC N. Dinesh and SDPO Dibijoy ordered police personnel to stop the rally at Government Girls High School. The rally was attended by a large number of people from different communities. Banners, placards with different slogans like "Go Back Indian Army," "We want peace and integrity of Manipur will not be broken" were displayed during the rally. Speaking to media persons, many protesters said they want peace and harmony in the state. Bishnupur Apunbanupi Lup President El Pramo also stated that people living in relief camps must be able to go back to their original homes, stop trying to start a civil war in Manipur and let the state force have the authority to do their duties, and also that the people have no faith in the central force.
The militant singse mapam da hanjin hanbiro number 1 aduga NRC Asit sana hanbiro maramdi kuki na supamgani NRC sapa adagi na maitai na supami naga na supami karigino haibda akoigi national register citizen tawbasida kanana apan bipi dawrige ngasi phawda si sana hanbidre si kaigino athu bada sana hanbire hairaga akoigi tarang na mito miyan cha sing yaw de bida yamni ingtha tap thaba Kundo, Laibak to Hanbiro, Hibasisu, Aquina, MP da, Adagina, Sarkar Party, Chief Minister da, Sarkar Party, Councils of Minister da, MLA sing da, Aquina, Praza, Amo, in appeal to Zaningi.
Praja Miam na koi bunungai tabating ngasi thoklei basi makoi na akoi maitai mayam singda chimi tamit tawrakanla ngasi tawri basine aduna akoi athoba matamda sarkar paibiri basingna Aya athoba matamda lairiba lilip kanda lairiba lilip ke mafam kudimakta lairiba kudimak che tangdu laitana shanti oina bai damakta chenbi yo athoba matamda adu natragadi akoi nupi mayamgi ihoktana makhi civil war ama tholakani haibachidi khanbi yo chief minister na amadi Indian Prime Minister na khanbi gadabani aduna khoigi ngasi akoi chathariba khongjang ache asidagi hen phawda khoi jangjalakani aduna praja singna ngasi nungai tribache thamoida ai khoigi paramilitary force na Makoy sing Changelaga, Makoy Lapa Matam, the Koyam Nungaze, Makoy Laga, Koyawa, Punamakogan, Haidana, Koina Kalakanda, Nasidi Moy Changa, La Chunem named Daba, Ashiba, Anabaki Pau the Taba, Kamna Kabo Chulep, the Tisakari Maramino, Masikari Maramino, a quite processing it, Tamoy the Karipian and the Kalimino. I call his hammock, Idam Damja talk to Gazu, Lamda Madu, the Toiba, Mayam, Telaga, little came lady, but I call you Tamoy the Zay.
Addressing a press meet at the school Sangakpom premises, EK Higher Secondary School Secretary Pangaijam Sarachandra said that the internet shutdown has severely affected the careers of students. It has been 22 days since the government shut down internet, and as a result, people in different domains are unable to access important services related to health, education, banking, business and professional services. Most importantly, students are missing deadlines for different educational opportunities, including Common University Entrance Test, which is scheduled for May 29th, and NEET held on May 7th, but deferred for the state's candidates. However, considering the situation, it is not sure if NEET for the state will be held or not, and in case the authority annuls NEET for the state this year, it will be a great loss for medical aspirants, he expressed. Such lack of attention by the central government is creating a sense of uncertainty among the people of the state, he stated, while drawing the attention of the central government to restore peace at the earliest. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da Enhancement oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mateng pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta Enhancement oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matam gi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. As the law order situation has been improving gradually in Imphal East and West, curfew has been relaxed till 12 noon today in few districts. Last night, orders had been issued by the magistrates of both the districts. The order notified that curfew will not be lifted in the areas of Ayangpali Road along Lamlong Bazaar to Yonglan Lerak, Imphal River from Thambutong to Lamlong Bridge via Minutong, Lamlong Bazaar and Yonglan Lerak to Thambutong via Puja Lampak and Thangapat Mapal. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 11 a.m. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in 3 districts. Markets and shops were open. People rushed to the market and shops to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. In connection with the prevailing restive situation in Manipur, some of the Kuki MLAs led by Minister Nimcha Kipkin and Kuki civil society organizations CSOs met with Nagaland Chief Minister Naifurio at the Nagaland CM Secretariat in Kohima on Thursday. The Kuki delegation also included Saikul MLA Kim Nyo Hangshing and Saitu MLA Hakol led Kipkin and leaders of different Kuki CSOs. According to a report, the team urged the Nagaland government to extend their support in addressing the plight and grievances of the Kuki community as well as in resolving the communal violence in Manipur. Mention may be made here that the 10 Kuki MLAs, including 7 MLAs of the ruling BJP, had demanded for separate administration in addition to meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Mizoram CM Zoramthanga and other national leaders while holding the Meitei community responsible for the ethnic violence. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera criticized the BJP government for distributing fortified rice despite caution by experts, saying that 80 crore Indians are given poison. He added, according to the researchers of Niti Aayog, fortified rice is harmful for patients with hypertension and diabetes. Rice is being distributed without any guidelines. Health of people has been compromised. Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council, Dmitry Medvedev, has said Ukraine war will last a very long time, most likely decades. Reiterating Russia's claim that Ukraine is a Nazi state, he added, as long as there is such a power in place, there will be, say, 3 years of truce, 2 years of conflict, and everything else will be repeated. The armed forces of the Russian Federation have killed nearly 700 Ukrainian soldiers along the front line, the country's defense ministry said on Thursday. 8 HIMARS and MLRS shells and 28 Ukrainian drones were also destroyed during the attack, the ministry said. Meanwhile, Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council, Dmitry Medvedev, has said that the Russia-Ukraine war could last for decades. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now, before we wind up for the day, let's look at the top headlines once again. Internet suspended for another 5 days in Manipur. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, CM Biren. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 AM, restrictions in Imphal East. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.